Welcome to Session 7, Weighted Averages and Missing Values. A weighted mean gives more influence to values that occur more often or carry a larger percentage. 10 real situations will connect course grades, wages, prices, salaries, mixtures, target averages, and average speed to one common structure: value times weight, followed by division by the total weight. For a missing value, convert the target mean to a required total first. For combined groups, convert every group mean to a group total before combining. Example 1. A course grade is 70% exams and 30% projects. A learner has 84 on exams and 92 on projects. Find the weighted grade. The comparison places both cases on the same scale. Plan: convert weights to decimals, multiply each score by its weight, and add. Step 1. Convert 70% to 0.70 and 30% to 0.30. Step 2. Compute the exam contribution. 84 times 0.70 equals 58.8. Step 3. Compute the project contribution. 92 times 0.30 equals 27.6. Step 4. Add 58.8 plus 27.6 equals 86.4. Quick check. The result lies between 84 and 92 and is closer to 84 because exams have more weight. This matters in real life because weighted grading reflects that some categories represent more course evidence than others. Example 2. 2 workers earn $18 per hour and 3 workers earn $22 per hour. Find the mean hourly wage. The frequency display shows each value together with how often it occurs. Plan: treat worker counts as frequencies in a weighted mean. Step 1. The total wage rate represented is 2 times 18 plus 3 times 22. Step 2. Compute 36 plus 66 equals 102. Step 3. There are 2 plus 3 equals 5 workers. Step 4. Divide 102 divided by 5 equals $20.40 per hour. Quick check. The mean lies between $18 and $22 and is closer to $22 because more workers earn that rate. This matters in real life because payroll teams use weighted averages when employee groups have different sizes. Example 3. 5 test scores have a mean of 82. 4 scores are 78, 84, 90, and 80. Find the missing score. The key quantities are organized before the arithmetic begins. Plan: use the target mean to find the required total, then subtract known values. Step 1. The required total is 5 times 82 equals 410. Step 2. The known scores total, 78 plus 84 plus 90 plus 80 equals 332. Step 3. Subtract 410 332 equals 78. Step 4. The missing score is 78. Quick check. The 5 scores now total 410, and 410 divided by 5 equals 82. This matters in real life because teachers reconstruct missing records when verifying grade exports. Example 4. A store sold 4 notebooks at $3 each and 6 notebooks at $5 each. Find the average selling price per notebook. The frequency display shows each value together with how often it occurs. Plan: weight each price by the number sold, then divide revenue by units. Step 1. Revenue from $3 notebooks is 4 times 3 equals $12. Step 2. Revenue from $5 notebooks is 6 times 5 equals $30. Step 3. Total revenue is $42 for 10 notebooks. Step 4. The average selling price is 42 divided by 10 equals $4.20. Quick check. The average is closer to $5 because more notebooks sold at the higher price. This matters in real life because retailers use weighted selling price to analyze the mix of products actually purchased. Example 5. A final grade uses homework 20%, quizzes 30%, and a final exam 50%. Scores are 95, 80, and 74. Find the course grade. The key quantities are organized before the arithmetic begins. Plan: compute each category contribution and ensure the weights total 100%. Step 1. The weights 20% plus 30% plus 50% total 100%. Step 2. Homework contributes 95 times 0.20 equals 19. Step 3. Quizzes contribute 80 times 0.30 equals 24. Step 4. The final contributes 74 times 0.50 equals 37. Add 19 plus 24 plus 37 equals 80. Quick check. The heavily weighted final pulls the result towards 74, so a result of 80 is reasonable. This matters in real life because understanding weights helps learners predict how assessments affect a final grade. Example 6. A class of 8 has a mean score of 76. A ninth learner joins, and the new mean is 78. Find the new learner's score. The comparison places both cases on the same scale. Plan. Compare the old total with the new total. Step 1. The old total is 8 times 76 equals 608. Step 2. The new total is 9 times 78 equals 702. Step 3. The added score is 702 608 equals 94. Step 4. The new learner scored 94. Quick check. Adding 94 to 608 gives 702, and 702 divided by 9 equals 78. This matters in real life because schools sometimes reconstruct individual records from updated aggregate reports. Example 7. A coffee blend contains 3 kilograms of beans costing $12/kg and 2 kilograms costing $18/kg. Find the blend's average cost per kilogram. The comparison places both cases on the same scale. Plan. Use kilograms as weights and divide total cost by total mass. Step 1. The first beans cost 3 times $12 equals $36. Step 2. The second beans cost 2 times $18 equals $36. Step 3. The blend costs $72 and weighs 5 kilograms. Step 4. Average cost is 72 divided by 5 equals $14.40 per kg. Quick check. The average lies between $12 and $18 and is closer to $12 because more kilograms use the cheaper beans. This matters in real life because food producers use weighted costs when ingredients are mixed in unequal amounts. Example 8. A company has 20 employees averaging $40,000 and 5 managers averaging $80,000. Find the combined average salary. The comparison places both cases on the same scale. Plan. Convert each group mean to a group total before combining. Step 1. Employee salaries total 20 times $40,000 equals $800,000. Step 2. Manager salaries total 5 times $80,000 equals $400,000. Step 3. Combined salary is $1,200,000 for 25 people. Step 4. The combined mean is $1,200,000 divided by 25 equals $48,000. Quick check. The result is much closer to $40,000 because the larger group is the employees. This matters in real life because workforce reports must weight department averages by department size. Example 9. A learner wants an 85 average over 4 equally weighted quizzes. The first 3 scores are 80, 87, and 82. What fourth score is required? The key quantities are organized before the arithmetic begins. Plan. Find the target total, then subtract the 3 known scores. Step 1. The target total is 4 times 85 equals 340. Step 2. The known total is 80 plus 87 plus 82 equals 249. Step 3. The needed score is 340 249 equals 91. Step 4. A score of 91 produces the desired average. Quick check. Verify that 249 plus 91 divided by 4 equals 340 divided by 4 equals 85. This matters in real life because target average calculations help learners set concrete performance goals. Example 10. A driver travels 60 miles at 30 miles per hour and 60 miles at 60 miles per hour. Explain why the overall average speed is not simply 45 miles per hour, then find it. The comparison places both cases on the same scale. Plan. Average speed is total distance divided by total time. Unequal travel times create the weights. Step 1. The first 60 miles take 60 divided by 30 equals 2 hours. Step 2. The second 60 miles take 60 divided by 60 equals 1 hour. Step 3. Total distance is 120 miles and total time is 3 hours. Step 4. Average speed is 120 divided by 3 equals 40 miles per hour. Quick check. At 40 miles per hour for 3 hours, the driver would cover the same 120 miles. This matters in real life because transportation averages must reflect how long or how far each rate applies. Session 7 Recap. Multiply each value by its weight or frequency, add the products, and divide by the total weight. For a missing score, required total equals target mean times number of values. For combined groups, add group totals rather than directly averaging unequal group means. Quick check. 3 scores must average 80. 2 scores are 75 and 82. What third score is required? The target total is 240. The known total is 157, so the missing score is 83.